Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Broke Ace and the Poke Twins. We got some giveaways in. Pokeballer Mike, Kuya Maui, and one from Pokemon Blitz and Chase and his dad. So we're going to have the kids open up. They're all addressed to them, so we're going to have them open up here in a minute. Alright, let's get ripping into these. We're going to go with Kuya Maui first. I appreciate it, man. Great channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to Kuya Maui yet, he's rocking and rolling over there too. Really great giveaways. He does a bunch of live shows. So who wants to open up first?
Me.
Ooh, we got the two. We got the Exacta over here. Let's go with the little man. We're going to try getting these guys in front of the camera here. So if we start knocking it around, I apologize. Let's see if we can get him in here.
He's a little bit small, right, Dada?
He's a lot small.
Yeah.
There you go, bud.
I'm not small.
You ready, son?
Daddy, I love you.
Watch the camera. I love you too, baby. Go ahead, open it up. See what Kuya Maui sent you.
Oh, ooh, a letter.
Is it a letter? Don't tear it in case he wrote you one. Hold on.
Oh, Pokemon cards.
Watch the camera, bud. Wow, bro. No way.
So you're rich. Tarman. Tyranitar.
Very good. That is Tyranitar V. We definitely needed that.
Shiny gold.
Rhyperior. Who's that?
Eldegoss.
Not too loud. You're right in front of the camera.
Eldegoss.
Hey, Tana.
Horsey.
Ooh, look at that hollow.
Ooh, hollow.
Sandaconda hollow.
Santa
Oh, look, it says, "Congrats, Anthony. Here's the kids' cards. Enjoy, Kuya Maui." Cool. My favorite fan,
Aurelia.
Kuya. He sent you a psychic because that's your favorite one. To my favorite fan, Attilio. Happy hunting. That's awesome, man.
Kuya Maui.
Yeah, Kuya does say Kuya Maui. He sent you a special energy, bro.
I forgot what your name is. I want
You want the teeth? You want the Tyranitar?
Thank you, Queen of Maui.
That's awesome, bro.
Thank you for giving me this card. Why do you and Daddy have to write on stuff?
Don't mind my shirt. I'm in my jams over here, everybody. Kuya Maui, I appreciate that, man. That's awesome, dude.
Daddy, I actually almost fell.
Beautiful cards. Thank you very much. Awesome giveaway. That's right. It does say to my favorite fan, Attilio.
Look, I got just. Look, I got psychic.
Come here, Raya.
My favorite one is fire. Queen of Maui, because he knows my favorite color is purple. How does he know?
How does Kuya Maui know that?
Yeah. I think because he's an angel.
He's an angel?
Yeah.
You hear that, Maui? Araya said you're an angel. Oh, look at
a pack. Wait, first I'm gonna open up this. I wanna do one.
Alright, son, you just did yours, Bubbles.
And then can I come back on?
Let me work on the taped up one.
And then.
Let's read the notes. Oh, it's a Pokemon Blitz pack. Look, even Chase even drew on it for you.
Oh, look, I see beautiful drawing.
Ooh, and a Corviknight V.
Yes, look, finally I found some. Hey, give me that. It's mine. No,
No, he sent one for each of you. One for Attilio.
One for me.
And one for you. And then he sent you a Rebel Clash.
Hey, can you help me?
You want to open yours? What do you got?
It fell. The whole. Wait, what? Ew.
Never mind the card trick.
That's just
Here,
two.
let's go through them, baby.
I'm gonna do the card trick.
We ruined the card trick. It shot everywhere.
Yeah, we ran the card trick.
What you got?
Wow.
I like that Corviknight. Look, Chase even drew on them for you.
Oh, look. Oh, where's mine? And
There.
where's mine?
You gotta show them in the camera, baby.
Where's mine?
Don't worry, buddy. You're gonna open your pack here soon.
Dad,
You're doing it, right?
I wanna open this one.
That's from Pokeballer Mike.
I want to open it.
So first I got this one.
Milcery?
Nursery. Wait,
Dark energy.
dark.
Very good. Dark. Oh, show everybody the code card. Oh, there's the letters in there. I was looking for that.
So you can
Thank you,
please
baby.
put that in the card book?
Come on. I can't see. You're moving. Far-fetched.
Far-fetched.
Let me read the letter from Chase.
So I like
Capture energy.
Daddy. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Capture energy.
Capture energy.
Oh, yeah, let's definitely read that.
Capture energy.
Oh, look at this cool artwork on there.
Oh, look at
Let's
this.
see this.
Electivire.
Electivire. And I know my nail polish faded away.
Chatot.
Sachot.
Jacklope.
Cockroach.
Dracloak.
Jacklope.
You're moving too much, baby. I can't see.
Look.
Bug. Binacle? Looks like I
Binacle.
can't see. Darumaka?
Donamacro.
Vulpix.
Vulpix. Oh, I like this
You
one.
like that one? Let's read Chase's letter.
Wait, why is there actually
It
two?
says, to the Poke Twins, that's you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. I like your channel a lot too. I wanted to send you 2 packs for your own, special from the Pokemon Blitz packs. I hope you enjoy them. Chase and Pokemon Blitz. That is awesome.
Oh, that's the card.
Wait, there's actually
Yeah,
Wait, why did mine
there's a
don't?
whole bunch in there.
Wait, why did mine don't have a
There's cards
letter?
in here.
Why
Yeah,
did
you gotta
mine?
wait, Bubba's.
Why did mine don't have a letter?
That's the letter to both of you guys.
What's this?
Wow. Oh, who's that, bro?
Grookey!
What is this?
Don't
What is this?
scream in the camera.
What
I'm
is
gonna keep this Grookey and I'm gonna
What
put
is
it
it?
right
What is
there.
Wait a minute.
Eevee,
You can open yours.
shiny.
Electabuzz.
Electabuzz.
Stop screaming. Ponyta.
Ponyta, my favorite girl.
Salandit.
Salandit. Finally keeping that.
Celebi.
Celebi.
Man, that's a big pile of hollows and reverse hollows. Remoraid.
Remoraid. Wait,
Magmar.
I won't say the book. Magmar.
Ooh, a Bunnelby.
Bumblebee. Oh, I dropped.
Keep them nice, baby.
I always drop.
Sandshrew.
Sandshrew.
That's cool. I like that one. Skiddo.
Skiddo.
Haunter.
Hunter.
Galarian Wheezing Hollow.
Glaring Wheezing Hollow.
Wow, a Suicune.
Suicune.
Yeah.
Chinese.
Japanese one.
Japanese. Japanese.
this? Look what I got.
Wow. Grapplock. You got an Alchemy V.
And I got it.
Wow, a Rillaboom V. No way, dude.
Yes, I finally got one now.
Let me see a Rillaboom V.
Dude, that is Pokemon Blitz. That is
Look.
absolutely amazing.
Look on your
bro.
camera.
That is awesome, man.
I
Great.
finally
pack, dude.
got one. Finally. Thank you, Chase. I'm gonna put these away.
My turn, my turn.
I can't believe it.
My turn, my turn.
Thank you, Chase,
Oh.
for all of this. You're
That
the
is
best.
awesome. That's an unreal pack.
And a tree was a lot more relevant.
Nope, leave that one there, Bubba's.
Daddy, can you please put these in pack?
Yes, we will pack them all up nice.
Yes.
Here.
Finally.
Drakovich.
Drakovich.
It's a nice one. Corviknight Hollow.
Corviknight Hollow.
These are
Jake,
awesome.
Can you please stop sending it to
Bronzer.
Bronze.
Bronzer, what did I say? Rillaboom?
This one.
Ooh, a Luxray Hollow.
These are
Oh, look. Even Luxio.
That's right. And Dee You're too small, Bubba's.
too little.
Yeah. Beware.
Beware.
Ooh, a Wigglypuff.
Right here. There's a Wigglypuff.
Oh wait, I have that.
Magikarp, that's a nice hollow. Ooh, another Vulpix.
Yeah, Vulpix.
Staryu.
Staryu.
Ooh, an Orbeetle V. Frosmoth Hollow.
Thwacky.
A Cinderace V.
A Cinderace V. Grookey.
And a Stoutland V. That's an amazing 2 packs, honestly.
Oops.
That's from Pokeballer Mike.
Yeah, that was from
All right, I gotta cut that one, so I don't want to hit you with the razor blade.
Don't worry, I'm gonna do
Well, we gotta put all these in sleeves too, bud, because these are really good cards, dude. And we need a lot of these for your set or your binders.
I know that.
Do you know that?
Now me and my brother have a lot of them.
Well, Chase and Pokemon Blitz, man, that is absolutely amazing.
Thank you, Chase, for all of the cards.
Yes, we definitely have to
You're the
sleeve a lot of these.
best Pokemon character ever.
At least cut it with a knife, Bubba.
And Chase, I'm gonna send you something very, very special. On the Jolly
You hear that, Chase? Ray is gonna send you and your dad something very special.
Me too. And for your sister.
That's right, and their sister.
Me too. Oh,
Let's see what Pokeballer Mike sent you. Relax.
Me. I'm already gonna draw.
Let's read it first. It says, Anthony and family, thank you for being a constant supporter. I've known you a month, but it already feels like years. I hope you and your kids enjoy the little mystery bundle, and maybe next time I'll finally win one of these. Deuces, Pokeballer. Yes,
My turn. Let me show you.
maybe Pokeballer will get us on the next pack battle. Wow, dude. Look at that, dude. An Inteleon VMAX. Oh, an Inteleon V. Chandelure.
Dad, stop holding it, please. Dad, I can do it.
Oh, you can do it? I'm sorry. Oh, check that one out. You gotta do it nice for everybody. Oh, you're really jacking the camera, brother. Cindelure. A Weedle for Kingsley. Squirtle, Clagosaurus Rex. A Morpeko VMAX. I can't see what you're doing.
I have this.
I don't think you got that one.
This energy right there.
Oh, yeah? Ooh.
And this again. What else?
What else? What do you mean what else? What do you want, bud? The whole everything?
Yes.
Say thanks to Pokeballer Mike. That's an awesome package
Thank you,
too, man.
Pokeballer Mike.
Yes. Say hope maybe this time you'll beat us.
Maybe this
You got one
time.
more pack battle, bro. Or maybe, I want to say one more. I see a lot more in our future.
Mine.
But
Mine.
we got a pack battle mixer coming up this week. You guys don't want to miss that.
Mine.
Give Pokeballer Mike a good
Mike.
follow. I appreciate everybody. Pokemon Blitz, Kuya Maui. Watch the wire, bud.
Chase, I'm already writing.
Array is already writing a letter, but sorry for the chaos. That was fun. I appreciate everybody. Talk to you guys soon.
Oh, what about...